Which file format can be added to a PowerPoint show? Answer D. All of the above. In Microsoft PowerPoint, two kinds of sound effect files that can be added to a presentation are answer A, .wav files and .mid files. Material consisting of text and numbers is best presented as answer A table slide. What is a motion path? Answer C, a method of moving items on a slide. What is a slide title master pair? Answer C, a slide master and title master for a specific design template. Which of the following should you use if you want all the slides in the presentation to have the same look? Answer D, a presentation design template. In the context of animations, what is a trigger? Answer B, an item on the slide that performs an action when clicked. If you have a PowerPoint show you created and want to send using email to another teacher, you can add the show to your email message as an answer B, attachment. In order to edit a chart, you can answer C, double click the chart object. To exit the PowerPoint, answer C, double click the application's control menu icon. To preview a motion part effect using the custom animation Task Pane, you should answer A, click the play button. You can create a new presentation by completing all of the following except answer C, clicking file open. You can embed a MS organization chart in a slide by answer B, clicking the object command on the edit menu. To select one hyperlink after another during a slide presentation, what do you press? Answer A, tab. Special effects used to introduce slides in a presentation are called answer C, transitions. You can edit an embedded organization chart object by answer D, B and C both. What is the term used when you press and hold the left mouse key and move the mouse around the slide? Answer B, dragging. Which of the following toolbar provide different options in various master view? Answer A, common tasks toolbar. How can you create a uniform appearance by adding a background image to all slides? Answer B, edit the slide master. How do you create speaker note pages that show the slides related notes and your company logo on each page? Answer A, edit the notes master and add your company logo. Which tab is not available on left panel when you open a presentation? Answer C, notes. Which of the following statement is not true? Answer A, you can type text directly into a PowerPoint slide, but typing in text box is more convenient. To start Microsoft PowerPoint application, answer C, click start greater than, run then type PowerPoint, then press enter. Which of the following section does not exist in a slide layout? Answer D, animations. PowerPoint presentations are widely used as answer D, all of above. Dash controls all the main slide control tasks for your presentation. Answer A. Task pane. Which of the following cannot be toggled from view greater than toolbars? Answer B. Slides. Which of the following pane is not available in Task Pane? Answer C. World Art. In Slide Layout panel, how many layouts are available for text layout by default? Answer A. 4. What lets you to create new presentation by selecting ready-made font color and graphic effects? Answer C. Design templates.